Day one in Hong Kong. Today we don't have any plan of what we're doing. We're just walking down through some different streets, different laneways. I've got my 35mm Sigma, so I want to try get some like really sharp either portraits or just detailed shots to get a lot of bokeh. So that's my goal for today. I want to get those sort of shots with the 35mm. The temperature difference from Melbourne to Hong Kong. In Melbourne right now, it's about 9 degrees and freezing, whereas here it's 33 and just so humid. Like the second you walk outside, you will start sweating. I like the cold because you can wear a jacket and you can be all warm and cozy and go out and shoot. But then again, here it's good because you can just wear a t-shirt and shorts. It doesn't look like it's going to rain today, but if it can rain throughout the week that I'm here, that would be good because it'll mean I can go out and do some sort of street photography and get all the reflections as well. So I think just here is a place where there's actually trams. They're like double-decker trams. In Melbourne we only have the single ones, so instead of shooting on the 35mm, I'll use my 70-200 so I can get a nice long depth shot of a tram. Alright, so Hong Kong day one. Started off in the morning, I was really hazy, I was really out of it. Mainly the temperature difference because it was so cold in Melbourne, and then coming straight into the heat and the humidity especially of Hong Kong, my body was just like, what is going on? Why are you doing this to me? This is crazy. So I pretty much shut down in the morning, but after I had a feed and all that sort of stuff, I was fine. One thing that I noticed about traveling with my family compared to when I travel with Mike, Hayden and Lamont, it's a lot different. When I'm traveling with the boys, I'm in that sort of creative zone always, and all we're doing is just filming vlogs, taking photos and just thinking about what the next photo is going to be, where we're going to be going, what the next spot is, whereas now I'm sort of just chilling out, relaxing a bit. So with the photos today, I started off with my 70-200 and I wanted to get that tram shot. So I got this photo here. I like the depth of the 70-200. It's probably one of my favorite lenses to capture street photography scenes. You just see a shot and you can just take it. Like, doesn't matter how far away it is. If you can see it with the 70-200, you're most likely to be able to get the shot. The tram shots were alright, but the road that the trams were going down was really busy, so it had cars, it had buses, it had the trams themselves, which I don't want to get hit by on the first day. Well, not the first day. I don't want to get hit by them any day. The road was just really busy, so I didn't really have enough time to sort of prepare, have the shot and just take a nice photo. Then after that, we were just walking around, we got a coffee and we were just chilling out for a bit. I swapped over to my 35mm and I got this shot here, which is of a car, which I took this photo specifically for Mike and Lamont because I know if they were here in Hong Kong, they would love to have seen what this looks like. I think it was a Porsche GT3 RS. No, wait. Oh, it literally says 911. I don't know. Mike, Lamont, tell me if I'm wrong or right. I'm probably wrong. Let me know what car it is. I just thought you'd like it. And then I saw a Honda Civic Type R, which, if you know about cars, it's a really good Japanese car, pretty much. Simply explained. And because I had the 35mm on, it's really nice for capturing cars that are just parked on the street because it can narrowly focus on something. So as you can see, the car's in focus, but everything else is just slightly out of focus. And it just really helps draw your eyes to it. And then as we were heading home back to our hotel, it started raining and I got this shot here of a taxi. The taxis in Hong Kong and Japan are so detailed. It just makes the photos pop because all the reflections reflect. That's all for today's video. If you did like it, remember to leave a like, help me out by hitting subscribe, and if you want to go see all those photos, head over to my Instagram at 7th Era. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.